Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube. I love Miui. Today in this video, I will share you some beautiful theme on Xiaomi global devices. This theme with dynamic widgets. Double tap to hide widget's name. Redesign settings UI. Many wallpaper and widgets on lock screen. Enable depth effect wallpaper. Custom time and font clock. Tab settings has many widgets like iOS 16. Tab smart custom dynamic island. Smart charging. Tab more custom 2 icon application on lock screen. Flashlight and camera. Sims and calculator. Beautiful icons pack. Control center support Miui 14. Big widget on home screen. Animation on lock screen. This theme has many wallpaper. Wallpaper blur effect. Many darkly wallpaper for a mold and old screen. This theme with icons animation. Control center without text. Big widget on home screen. Lock screen effect. Swipe right to open settings. Select widgets you want on lock screen. Change to dark mode and light mode. Custom transparency. Swipe left to open control center. I have been shared to you top 3 Miui theme for Xiaomi Global. You can search by theme name in the global theme. I hope you will like these themes. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.